Dr. Matt Huebner, Natural Transplants. One of the first things that people will often see with genetic hair loss is that their hairline will become asymmetric. One side will be higher than the other. And this is often the first thing people will see. Just so you know, genetic hair loss does not care about symmetry. Oftentimes, you're going to have one side worse than the other, and the other side may eventually catch up, but people are going to have asymmetry. They'll often have little gaps and spaces in their hairline that they don't like. A hair transplant can soften up those differences or even make it perfectly symmetric, although natural hairlines are not perfectly symmetric. What you don't want to create is an Eddie Munster perfect symmetric non-natural hairline. Most hairlines are natural. I have a natural hairline. Everybody asks me that. But if you look at my hairline, this was straight and this is slanted. I have a random little thing here. Even my temples are a little offset. So you want to recreate a little bit of random asymmetry, but oftentimes people are so off that they need to soften it up and make it more symmetric. If you have any questions about hairline design, I can talk for hours about hairline design. Call us here. I'd love to talk to you about it, give you some different looks. 844-327-4247. I hope to hear from you soon.
Take the first step to better hair. Visit us at naturaltransplants.com.